Oh, hi, this is Michael Christopher. Here we have this guy. And now let's zoom out a little bit. And I'm gonna grab in the box. And here we got Deadpool. Let's get a closer look. Here we have Deadpool. Okay, let's move him a little bit. Here is the sides. Here's the sides. Let's fix up. So the back looks good. Side that has some side prints, so it'll look very, very good. Okay, so here we have this Deadpool. Ooh. Okay, now here we have the back, and the same goes for the other sides. So let's switch that. Ooh. It's like he was shot, but then he was revived. You can see this belt over here, some belts, and on the other side you can see another belt. Let me just show you that right now. This is Michael Christopher, and this Deadpool, and we are out.